IDC is developing one plot, an area of approximately 9,000 square meters. Originally this was a slope, and down we have the ward of Castelvado Nagoa. River originates in this spot. There is no retaining wall. In the rain, all this mud is going to go into the Castelvado ward, and we are going to have a mudslide. IDC just cannot do what they want.
Why they want to fill this area?
To give it to the industry.
To have another industry here.
To have another industry. And this is a money-making racket that has become now.
त्याचो जायतो इफेक्ट नागोआ हे गांवांत जातलो आनी मुखारूय जाता. आनी एक जरी तर सुमाराचो पावस येयलो जाल्यार तो आख्खो लोट येवन आमगेल्या गांवांत तें सगळें डिजास्टर जावपाक शकता. ऑथॉरिटी कडेन मागताय. सो आमी एक जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शनूय करपाचें थारायलां. एट द अर्लियस्ट आमी ती तेका लेटर कोत्ताय जाता तितू बेगीन तें बंद करपाक आमी तेंकोडे मागताय.
IDC लँड आमी ओपन स्पेस म्हण ती कांय हें केलां आनी फिलींग केलें जायत. आय हॅव नो आयडिया. वील हॅव टू चॅक इट. नाव इफ लँड इज बिलॉंगींग टू अस वी वील टेक द लिबर्टी ऑफ whatever filling, whatever cutting we do, because the industry has to come with the development. Little bit of cutting and filling will be there only. Verna is for green industry. Soil pollution now. What allegations they are making, I don't know. We'll have to check it.
And suddenly possible. तर ती माती घेऊन
No, I'll go and check it.
Reverse
We will go and check it.